Hi, I'm Sabina, and I'm going into 10th grade at Foothill High School. My project is a multifunction matrix clock with 8 rotating displays and a custom hourly chime using a speaker. I chose this project because I really wanted to work with neopixels, and there are just so many directions you can go with them. And I also wanted to make a project that I can use in my day-to-day life, such as a clock. So the displays that my clock include the time, the day of the week, the date, the temperature, the humidity, a greeting such as good morning or a good night, depending on the time of day, an event. So if it were 4th of July, it would say Happy Independence Day. If there is no event, it would just say, how was your day? I also added an automatic brightness dial that lowers the brightness in the evening and raises it back up during the day, just so there are no flashing lights in the middle of the night. I also added the speaker with the hourly chime, and I can show you that now. So this is my final display. This is the event. And after this, this is my chime. And that shows every hour. As you can see that I customized the chime, and for on every beat of the melody, there is a color change through the rainbow. So how my entire project works is that I wrote a program that is saved on a microcontroller, and that it regulates all the displays. The first few displays are based on data from a real-time clock module, which is just a clock that keeps time as long as it has power. And the microcontroller signals for that clock module to send the current time data back and print the information on the matrix. And that was my base project, just printing the time on the matrix. And from there, I figured out how to utilize the clock module in other displays and add other modifications. I used the same process to show the humidity by attaching a humidity sensor to the back of my box. And it measures humidity of its surroundings, which in this case is my room, and reports that data back to the microcontroller to print on the matrix. I wanted to add things like temperature and humidity to my clock, because while anyone can just search up those components online for their region, I can take my clock to any room, plug it in, and instantly know the temperature and the humidity of that specific room, which I think is really unique. Once I finished all the additional displays I wanted to add, I also figured out how to connect the speaker and program the chime that you heard earlier. My greatest challenge was when some of the wires of connecting the matrix broke off while I was putting everything together and working out the bugs in the program. So I had to pause that and solder and resolder those on. Overall, I enjoyed my experience. I really liked having independence and being able to do what I want and not be constricted to just one specific step-by-step instruction manual. It was really hands-on, and doing this project really solidified my interest for software engineering, but also helped me realize that I enjoy mechanical engineering as well. Thank you.